I'm Brooks. I am the CEO and founder of Code by J. Christine, and I want to talk to you guys today about sales and use tax. So, when I was launching my business, I did a lot of research when it came to, how to establish the business, the steps that I needed to take. But there wasn't a lot of information available for new entrepreneurs when it came to sales and use tax, especially if you're doing an online boutique. So if you're here and you're watching this video, that means that you already have taken the necessary steps to formalize your business. And if you haven't, check out my last video, 11 Steps to Launch Your Online Boutique, and then come back to this video so you will understand more about what I'm talking about in this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's jump right into it. What is sales tax? Sales tax is a consumption tax that is imposed by the government on the sale of goods or services. In the retail industry, sales tax is required or charged to the end user. When I say end user, in this case, I'm talking about the consumer. Since the manufacturing of goods go through so many steps, the end user is responsible for paying the taxes. And in order for the end user to be identified, businesses as myself are required to have a seller's permit in order to purchase items without paying tax. So in order for me to go to a wholesaler and get items and not pay taxes on them, I have to permit the wholesaler with my seller's permit, which tells us the wholesaler that I have been given authority by the government to purchase items and not pay taxes on those items. However, as a business, I am responsible to act as a third party on behalf of the government to collect those sales taxes from my consumers. And when do I do that? Okay, for example, I have a t-shirt on my website. It costs $20. The customer goes to my website, they purchase the t-shirt at $20, and then I ship it first class to them. Let's just say shipping was $5. I am responsible for collecting taxes on the $25 because the end user has to get the item. The item doesn't get to the end user when they click pay on my website. So I have to include shipping in the price of the taxes. So at the 28th day of the month, that's when Georgia collects their sales and use tax. I have to go on the site and I have to give the total amount of my sales. And I have to ensure that that's including shipping. And then I have to calculate the percentage that I owe the government for my taxes. Okay? And then as you know, taxes overlap. So this is when we're talking about use tax. So the use tax is imposed on non-exempt items that are brought into the county. So let's just say in my case is the inventory. As I've already said, that when I purchase my inventory from my vendors, I don't have to pay a tax on them. However, I'm responsible for paying taxes when I withdraw that merchandise from my inventory. This is where the use tax comes into play. So let's just say I've already said that Georgia requires me on the 28th day of the month to go and pay my taxes. So let's just say from September 1st to September 28th, I withdrew inventory that cost $185, right? I'm responsible of paying a 3% use tax on that $185 because I withdrew that product out of my inventory. So you just have to know what day your state requires you to report your sales and use tax, and you have to also know how much taxes your state charges. Okay? It's not hard. So if you go to your state website, when it comes to taxes, they'll tell you what the percentage is for your state. Like for where I live, it's 7.5%. So that's inclusive of the sales tax for the state and the use tax for my county. So I'm at 7.5%. And when it comes to taxes for remote sellers, you have to go to the state that your customers are from, the state that you're shipping to make sure that you're not obligated to pay taxes in those states. And how you would know that is whatever that state defines as a nexus. If that state defines a nexus, and you meet the description of that, then you're responsible for also paying taxes to that state. So before you get deep into your business, just make sure you understand what state you're obligated to pay taxes to, and if you meet the definition of a nexus in the state to where you're shipping your goods. I hope this video helped. I hope you understand just a little bit more about sales and use tax. And be sure to check out my next video, and I'm going to talk about vendors, how to make sure that you're getting the right vendor, the quality of the products that I have received. I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. So if you like this content and you want more content, be sure to, click the notifications so that you would know when I upload more information to my channel. And again, thank you guys, and good luck to you when it comes to taxes.